Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your Meta Quest 3. We'll cover everything from the initial setup to diving into your favorite experiences. Get ready to explore countless worlds and connect with friends in an immersive new way. Whether you're a seasoned Roblox player or new to the platform, this guide will help you get started with ease and enjoy the exciting world of Roblox in virtual reality. First, let's get your Quest 3 ready. Make sure your headset is fully charged and has the latest software updates installed. Next, head over to the Quest store and search for the Roblox application. Download and install it. A strong, stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth experience, so double-check your Wi-Fi. These simple steps will ensure you're ready to jump into the action without any hitches. Now that you're set up, let's talk about playing. Your Quest 3 controllers are your hands in Roblox VR. Use them to move around, interact with objects, and navigate menus. Many Roblox experiences are optimized for virtual reality, offering unique gameplay. You can easily join games, customize your avatar to stand out, and chat with other players, making your virtual adventures truly social and engaging. To make your Roblox VR experience even better, consider your play space. Clear any obstacles to ensure safety and maximize immersion. Don't forget to explore the in-game settings. You can often adjust comfort options and performance settings to suit your preferences. Finally, tap into the vibrant Roblox community. There are many online resources and forums where you can find tips, discover new games, and connect with fellow VR enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.